Hey guys, welcome back to Random Things. Today on the TJ, we're going to be replacing the Fairlead. As you can see, I have an old one and a roller fell off. So we're going to be replacing that. I'll show you what I got. So I ordered a new Smitty belt 4-way roller. And we'll unbox it right now. So I just got this on Amazon for about 45 bucks. And then the new one, way better, black, match the bumper. So this is a standard 10-inch. It's 10-inch from bolt to bolt, and we're going to be installing it right now. All right, so to take this off, you're going to have your bolt here and your bolt here. And depending on what type of winch you have, you might not be able to get the bolts out without taking the winch out. So we're going to leave ours in. But to get it off, first we're going to have to pull this pin right here on the hook to take the hook off, and then we'll put the cable through. So we're going to do that right now. All right, so we got the pin out. Here's our pin. There's our hook. So now we're just gonna drop that, and we're gonna unbolt these now. All right, so we got that unbolted. Now we can pull it through. All right, it needs to stay in because we can't push it through anyways. You'd have to, so to get these out, you'd have to take the whole winch out. So some people get the low profile ones that go right here, but you can only use those if you have a synthetic line. I still have a cable. So now we're gonna put the new one on. So the 2 holes, we'll put it on that hole. So this one gives you 2 holes, so you can have an option if you want it a little higher. So we just hand tighten it for now. Now it's nice and tight, and there's our new Fairlead. So now we just got to put the hook back in and put the pin back in. All right, so we got the hook put back on. Make sure you put the pin back on good. And then now we just have to retighten the spool. And I have some D-rings coming in to put right here. So then I'll attach it to the D-ring. And that's it. So this is the final result. We have the new Fairlead on, and I also bought these 3/4 shackles, D-ring shackles that go in here, and these can hold almost 5 tons each, and it makes the front of the Jeep look a lot better. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.